In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Gumroad. So the first thing I'm doing here is going to gumroad.com and logging into my account. Once I'm inside the dashboard, I'm heading straight over to products because that's where everything starts when you want to create something to sell. From there, I'm clicking new product, and that opens up the setup so I can start building the product from scratch. Now I'm entering the product's name, and this is just the title that people are going to see when they come across the listing. Right after that, I'm choosing digital product because this is for a file or downloadable item that I want to sell online. Once that part is set, I'm moving down to the price and entering the amount I want to charge. Nothing complicated here, just putting in the price I want and then clicking next to move on. At this point, I'm in the product setup area where I can fill in the product details. I'm just working through that section and getting the listing ready before I upload the actual file. This is where the product starts to feel more complete because I'm putting the details in place first and then adding the content right after. Once that looks good, I'm going over to the content tab because this is where I'll upload the digital file that buyers will receive. So now I'm inside content and I'm clicking upload files. That opens the file picker on my computer, and from here I'm selecting the file I want to sell. Once I've got the right one, I'm clicking open and Gumroad starts uploading it. I'm just letting that finish, and once the file appears, I can make a couple of final adjustments. If I need to, I can rename the file so it looks cleaner, and I can also add a description so it's a little clearer what the buyer is getting. That part is optional based on the setup here, but it's a nice way to keep things organized and easy to understand. Now I'm taking a quick look over everything one more time. I've logged into Gumroad, gone into products, created a new product, entered the product name, chosen digital product, set the price, clicked next, filled in the product details, opened the content tab, uploaded the file and updated the file name or description if needed. Once all of that looks right, the last thing I'm doing is clicking publish. And that's really the full process. You log into Gumroad, create a new digital product, set the name and price, add the product details, upload your file in the content tab, make any small edits you need and then publish it. Once that's done, your digital product is live on Gumroad and ready to sell.